Hi everyone, it's Jim Hamill with Pocono Television Network, and each and every month we are showcasing the Pocono Mountains, all four counties, from down here on the ground. But in winter time, the Poconos takes on a different look from the sky. So we wanted to take the PTN drone up and show you around the Pocono Mountains from a little bit different perspective. Come along for our journey across the Poconos by drone. Our first stop was the Delaware Water Gap and the Appalachian Trail, which runs right through the Pocono Mountains. From up here, you can see the freshly fallen snow and the Delaware River. Through hikers usually wait until all this is melted to make their miles-long journey along the trail. This time of year, snow makes for great skiing, snowboarding, and snow tubing. Our 6 ski resorts in the Pocono Mountains provide so much for all levels, all ages. Just check out these views from high above at Camelback and Blue Mountain. Traveling with our drone operator Zane Shupp, we stopped in Milford for a look from on high. This town, planned out like a grid, historic in so many ways, and with wintry scenery, just picture perfect from any angle. Just down Route 6 from Milford is Shohola Falls, tucked away, yet easily accessible for liftoff.
When you actually see these things from above, you see the contours of the ice, and not having leaves on the trees, you can see through the woods better. But I'm really loving these patterns in the ice that are formed at this time of the year that you just can't see from ground level. It's spectacular. It's nature's art. It's beautiful.
The grandeur of the Poconos, directly in view for the drone from this height, waterfall and all. Our Pocono television drone isn't the only one in the skies. Nick, with High Point Perspective, has spent time over the hydroelectric dam at Lake Wallenpaupack during a rare dam release, sending massive amounts of water down creek to Paupack Falls at Ledges Hotel.
Started off, bought this drone probably about 2 years ago. Ever since, just got obsessed with it.
Like me, Nick grew up in the Poconos and was drawn to capturing the sky-high views and sharing them with the social media world. Places like the iconic Woodloch Resort. In winter, it's especially stark with bright white of snow.
A lot cleaner, you get a lot more contrast, especially with like the snow on the, like on pine trees especially too. The dark colors with the white, you get that really cool contrast. And like you said, with like the ice on the lake, especially when it first starts freezing, you get to see like the different forms that the ice make.
Nick, like Zane, takes a lot of care to capture these images for sharing with us all the beauty of the Poconos region, but from a whole new vantage point.
There's a lot of safety and a lot of, precautions you gotta take. It is a toy. You kind of do feel like a kid again, playing with it. That's another reason why, I like it a lot. But I mean, it is, there's rules and regulations in effect for a reason. It's definitely fun, but yeah, it could be a little nerve-wracking too. Wind gusts can come out of nowhere.
For years, we've had to rely mostly on handheld cameras, but now they can take off, showcasing landmarks like Big Pocono State Park and Camelback, Serenite, and many other Pocono places in winter and any season. Jim Hamill and Zane Shupp for the Pocono Television Network.